Sige na. Yung gamit ni Sobi. Dito ka sa harapan na lang, Kyle. Ayan, bye-bye, Sobi.
Bye-bye. You play. Mommy will get you later, okay?
Okay.
Play muna kami, di ba?
Sige po.
She will not even cry?
No, hindi iyak yan.
Mga pre, we even saw it to Yushin's mom because we will go to Ligo. I saw that there is in Marikina 50 pesos lang. You need to pay and you can swim. It's like a big swimming
Hindi ko
pool.
pa alam kung magkano.
Sabi mo.
Hindi ko pa alam kung sure. Hindi ako sure kung magkano talaga yun.
Then what are you embarrassing me? Hello? How much is for swimming? 50 pesos per person? Okay. 50
Tatlo.
pesos na lang.
Okay, so 50 nga.
Oh, tatlo. May mura.
Ha?
Wait, so like that.
Hindi, dati lang ganyan talaga presyo. Kala ko nga nagtaas na sila eh.
But it's weird.
Bakit?
How come? Thank you.
Let's go.
So just 50 pesos?
Ano pakita?
So it's sa labas.
Pakita kita?
Ito pala. I already there. It's already there.
Ha?
You swim, I will watch you.
Bakit ako lang? Di ba nandito nga tayo para parehas tayo lalangoy? Parehas tayo may problema, di ba?
But you're the one that likes to swim. I thought, like let you go like a bata, have fun.
Hindi kasi mga pre, ang reason talaga namin, kaya kami ni Vika magsiswimming din
Because we have
talaga.
both back problems. I have scolio. I don't know what's your problem. Basta always masakit likod.
Oo,
And
kaya
you
sa akin
first-
sa lumbar talaga eh. Lumbar yung sa akin eh.
What if it's dirty?
Ha?
What if it's dirty?
Ang dirty.
No, something.
Hindi malinis yun, no? Dami nga nandyan eh.
No, you want to swim?
Try mo na kasi, dalawa na
Oh
tayo.
my goodness, yeah. But I will...
Weird naman, papanoorin mo lang ako lang nandyan. Dalawa nga tayo, usapan natin, dalawa tayo.
I can survive with my pain kasi.
Big pool kasi to eh, oh.
No, tara.
Tara.
So mga pre, we are already pang bihis. We even terno with Eugene. Patigyan.
Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo
Basta
mga
we are parang terno with
Ano,
Eugene.
siyempre, sa Shopee lang naman natin binili.
Well, anyway, let's go start our adventure of Ligo. I hope after this, my back is super not stressed and super straight and no pain.
Actually, mga pre-late na kami. Kala kasi namin dito sa sports
It's a whole
center.
night, whole day
Whole
we thought.
night, so-
But it's only till 4:50.
4:30.
4:30 and it's
So, meron
already
kaming
3:40.
45 minutes.
Yeah. So without any this, let's go na.
So, shoutout lang mga pre sa nanonood din sa atin.
Hello Willow! Nandito na ako sa vlog bro! Sikat na ako. Joke lang. Salamat po.
Thank you ah.
I didn't wash my hair because I'm not gonna touch with water.
Saan kayo bababa?
Dito.
What if it's so malalim? I don't even know how to swim. I don't know why we went there. You know that I don't know how to swim.
Ako bahala sa'yo. Hindi rin ako marunong lumangoy. Fit lang to, di ba?
Ewan ko.
Bakit malalim?
Malalim nga dulo.
Ha? Lapit ka naman tayo. Bahagan mo kasi pagbababa ka kasi, yan, patalikod. Yan, meron ka, yan, platform yan, yan. Okay? Okay?
You sure?
Diba? Sakto lang. Gusto mo bang mag-check tayo doon? Ito mga pre, matagal ko na talagang
You are the only one that actually really wants. I only did it for you actually. Really for you.
Ha?
I really did it only for you.
Kala ko ba yung likod mo rin may problema ka sa likod?
I can survive.
Huh?
You can massage me.
Kasi ikaw, minamasahe kita ako, hindi mo naman ako minamasahe.
Well, you are hard to massage. You are too matigas. Like that. But anyway, for you, I like you can like run free. I love you.
Hindi, mahilig talaga ako sa ganito. Saka kasi mga pre, yung lumbar ko talaga, sumasakit talaga madalas kapag hindi maayos yung pag-upo, yung pagtayo, yung pag
That's how it is
nagbubuhat.
with old people. Yeah, 30s plus like that. Lumbars, knees, everything. So anyway, you swim na.
Hindi naman ako walang swim dito na mangyayari. Kasi sabi lang nila, kapag yung ganyan, lalakad ka lang.
That's all?
Okay, yeah, para sa likod mo. Pwede naman lumubog ka, pero...
No, I mean like swim like fast. No, you know.
Oo, yun, ganun din. Saka mga pre, dito, yung tinitrain ko rin kasi dito yung legs ko. Kasi di ba may ano ako.
So you think of one time you go to swimming pool, you will train yourself,
Yeah.
everything is healed?
Yeah, dalawa kaagad. Yung, ano tawag dito? Yung sa knee.
Knee, arthritis,
Yung arthritis ko, tapos pati yung likod ba.
and you will be fine.
Kasi sabi ng
After
doktor.
1 days.
No, hindi.
Di
not-
ba
not-
it should be daily?
Yeah,
for
daily
years?
nga. Kaya nga, gagawin natin weekly. Di ba?
Hindi, you go alone. I still
Kasi
have-
matagal na kami naghahanap mga pre na mura-mura. Ito kasi nagulat kami, 50 pesos
Yeah.
lang.
I still don't believe it's 50 pesos. It's weird.
Yung mga malapit kasi sa amin, parang parang entrance doon 300, 500. So
Yeah.
imagine weekly yun ang babayaran
Yeah,
mo.
yeah.
Di ba?
No, I want to swim.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I cannot.
Okay mga pre, tapos na kami. Ito, lumabas na kami ng
Oh
sports
my
center.
god. Actually, it was good. Maybe I will come back if I will be around. I enjoyed though. I actually enjoyed it. I thought I will not like it, but all I did was really swim.
Actually, hindi naman talaga para sa likod yun eh. Na-enjoy lang talaga natin.
No,
Kumbaga,
I mean like I like the swimming. It's like a workout.
Yun nga,
Imagine.
yun
Maybe I
nga.
lost 3 kilos already.
Yun nga. You lost 3 kilos?
I non-stop. I swim. I practice my swimming. I mean like it's really good to like unwind.
Yeah. Hindi tayo to.
Hindi mo lang sinabi na pwede there to shower. I didn't bring any sabon, nothing.
Pero ano talaga mga pre, pumunta talaga kami dito para yung likod ko talaga. Para ma-exercise yung likod
What
ko.
happened to your likod? Are you
No,
fresh?
refresh nga yung likod ko, yung lumbar ko, okay nga eh. Pero syempre, di ba, ang pinaka-importante pa rin, yung daily pa rin. Hindi naman porket nag-swimming ka isang beses, okay.
Yan,
na.
oh, tapos okay ka na.
Wala pa rin yun, kailangan talaga daily exercise. Iba lang talaga nag-exercise ka tapos nag-enjoy ka pa. Kaya gusto ko swimming. Okay, ayan oh, ang dami oh.
Yeah,
Daming stall.
Let's go check.
Ano lang ata to, hindi ata to lagi eh.
No, I don't think
Swerte
it's
lang
not.
natin.
Na we abutan this.
Oo. So hindi ko alam mga pre kung hanggang kailan to. Tara, tingin tayo. Kung gusto mo rin ng bag, yung shoes.
No, I thought maybe there will be like kind
Bibila mo ng black shoes si Sobi, pamasok?
No, like branded.
Wala. Ano to, local to, hindi branded to.
Akala ko like Meet My Feet for example, and it's mura-mura here.
Parang ganun din ata kasi Marikina rin ata ang Meet My Fit mga pambata. Di ko lang sure
No, I will check. The thing is, it's like only one specific shoes. Like for work, I would say.
Yeah, pang pasok.
Yeah.
May nakikita ka ba o naglalakad lang tayo?
No. I'm very fast, like scanning.
Okay. Sige, gamitin mo yung scanning mo. Oh, ayun yung sapatos mo.
Really?
Di ba? Rebrand lang yung sapatos mo.
No, it's not the same.
Almost same. Kasi ito yung
Similar design.
hindi pala to. Birkenstock to eh. Ang gaganda oh. Diba?
It's like I want to buy something, but I have no powers. Like I'm lazy to check after the swimming.
Pero unexpected, ikaw ang pumili, hindi si Ate Gina.
Okay.
Yan, magkapare.
Bakit?
I'm showing you kasi.
Ha?
You are the one to buy.
Di ba bibili ka rin? Hindi lang ako.
No, I will not buy na. I don't want. I told you have so many.
Sabagay, mas
You
marami
are the
kang
princess
sapatos.
today.
Sabagay, kasi ako isa lang sapatos ko eh.
Yeah,
Ikaw,
that's right.
Ano tayo, 1:10 tayo eh.
What?
1:10.
What's that?
Sa isang sapatos ko, may 10 sapatos ka.
Yeah. Spoil you
Okay na
today.
to na,
I
sir.
spoil you today.
Ha?
I spoil you today.
Kasi 1,900 lang.
No.
Pag 900, okay lang spoil. Yung mabigat. Kasi 900 pesos lang kasi mga pre.
Siyempre mga pre, without uwian, we cannot not buy Genesis Pandesal.
Pag nandito kami sa
Every single
Marikina,
time we are in Antipolo, Marikina, we
Marikina.
will, Marikina, we
Marikina
will
lang
always
kasi
buy.
yan.
What do you mean, Marikina?
ang Genesis sa Marikina lang.
Antipolo is not Marikina?
Wala. Hindi. Ibang Antipolo, ibang Marikina.
Okay. I always thought it's one.
Papadaan talaga kami dito sa Marikina. Genesis Pandesal lagi. Sobrang sarap. O, libreng ano na yan.
Especially when it's hot.
Libreng advertisement na yan.
Oh yeah. How much is we will buy?
Tres ata na yun eh. Tres isang pandesal ata. 200 mo na. 200 pesos mo na. Kung taga dito pa rin tayo, baka lagi tayo nasa sports center.
Yeah.
Swimming, tapos jogging,
And then Pandesal.
saka pandesal.
Hi, baby. Miss you.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
Ha?
Dami.
Meal, banana oatmeal.
Nice.
How are you?
Seems well.
Parang kanina nakapakain ng kain na.
Oo, sabi ko nga kung ano na, hindi pa daw siya puno.
Sabi lang ka, Mami
Try.
brought something to you.
It's warm. Okay, BC.
Can you sing ABC? Tumatalon dyan, layo niya na kagad eh. How about ano? Monday?
Bahay Kubo.
Bahay Kubo. Can you sing Bahay Kubo?
Oh, sing with me. Bahay, kahit hindi ang halaman ay sari.
Yung marunong to sing this whole. Mother you, ano?
You know how to sing that.
Oo.
Oh.
Narinig ko nga eh.
Uwi na tayo. Let's go home na. Then sing first. Sing. Sing Bahay Kubo. If you want to stay. Oh, sit. Can...
Ay sari. Sing kamay. Sigarilyas at mani.
Sauce? Anong sauce? Shoutout time muna ulit tayo mga pre dahil ang dami nagpapa-shoutout last time sa vlog kaya magsha-shoutout tayo.
Shoutout to Joshua Fernandez Mahinay. Shoutout to Artek. Shoutout to Alex Romero and family. Shoutout to Mary MJ. Shoutout to Snowball. Shoutout to Sira. Shoutout to Alap Mara. Shoutout to Erlin Ortega.
So yun lang mga pre, maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout susunod dahil kung marami uli kayo,
Just comment down below.
comment lang kayo ng shoutout niyo.
So, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.